technology is something we all know is ever changing, and if you don't change yourself, somebody else would come and change it for you. So we've invested in technology basically with the idea of killing our own old business. The new business that we are investing in is a competition to our current and old business, and we decided that the best way to be in business is to kill yourself, your old business. This technology is based on that. It's a fast growing technology. It is where the world is today. It's called digital. As a company in the Kalamazoo Group excels with partnerships. We believe we work as partners not just with our customers and with our own team, but also with our suppliers. And Fuji Xerox excelled in creating that partnership with the Kalamazoo Group. And we say partnership is it's about people. The people from Fuji Xerox in New Zealand made us feel like true partners in our business. Therefore, in the last 3 years, our business has perhaps grown quadruple times with them. We started with a very small business unit as low as maybe 4,000 to 5,000 clicks a month, and now we are going on in millions. So in the last 4 years, our partnership has gone in multiples. It's very important because the whole group is about people, and we get the same feeling about Fuji Xerox too.
I want to welcome our visitors from Japan here. A very warm welcome to you. We're very excited that you're here. We're very excited about the new technology.
It is an exciting time for Xerox as well, Andrew. We also have welcomed our Japanese visitors here. Very pleased they're here. We're looking forward to a successful installation. We're looking forward to being a big part of Kalamazoo's future.
So this is the first machine we'll be installing. We're starting that install today. So again, it goes against this wall. And this will be the second machine that we'll be installing once this machine's finished.
First one in New Zealand, first one outside of Japan, basically. We're installing 2 in New Zealand, and it's the first time they've been installed outside of Japan.
So this is where the rewind is going to start, and from here we'll take the centres of the machine as well, because we're actually going to place the machine down the centre line first. But this is the starting point for the machine.
Robson.
Okay. So as you can see, it's a fairly sizable piece of equipment, and obviously a lot of value attached to it as well. So we'll shift this in a timely manner and see how we go from there.
So far very good, very smooth. We had a good day of sunshine when the guys landed this here. So it's been what, a couple of days now, and everything's going as it should. The guys are just quietly working away.
Well, we've got most of the IoT on the ground, and the guys are just configuring parts of it at the moment. So we've got one gentleman doing the wiring to a control unit, and you'll also be fitting the wiring for the Hunkley unit. This unit supplies cooled water to cool the dryers in the machine. So at the moment they're just hooking this up. You can see the size of the pipes. It's got a big pump in there and a big radiator. So that's the machine cooling. This unit's the IBM controller. So this one actually we submit the print jobs to, and this rips the print jobs. So in our terminology we normally call it a DFE or rip.
We're very happy with the progress. Hopefully in a couple of days we'll start testing some paper and seeing what the parameters of the machine are. So we've got guys at the ready waiting to be trained. They can't wait to get on the machine. So no, it's going really well. Very happy, very pleased.
So now we're up to the stage where we're going to feed some paper through the machine. The printheads aren't in the main IoT yet, but it's just to check the paper path, and then winding onto the Hunkler unit, and then they need to get the interface confirmed for the Hunkler. Then the next stage will be to put the printheads in, and then to actually make prints on them.
We recognise this is the first install of the Fuji Xerox 2800 continuous feed outside of Japan, and we've been really impressed with the amount of commitment in terms of the workforce that Fuji Xerox have sent over. So it's almost like we've had an army of analysts and engineers and software specialists here. So there's certainly been no expense spared, and we know that we have got the fastest install possible that we could have had. A few learnings from the first installation, and that made a very smooth run of the second install. So we've been very impressed, very happy. The commitment and the focus of the engineers, the analysts, the specialists has really been second to none.
It is what they call the digital age of speed. So that's perhaps one of the major reasons why we invested in this high-speed technology, to make sure that we are still in business 3, 4, 5 years from now.